G'day folks, I'm Benno, how you going? Welcome to the new shed. Well, it's been a while since I've done any bike work, thrown any spanners around, so now I've got a new shed, I'm going to get into it. I've had this here Virago for, well, probably about 12 months. Yeah, accidentally bought it at an auction, but yeah, I've got it, so I might as well do it. So I guess the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull the broken bits off, the bits I've got to replace, bits I've got to fix. So I'll show you what's got to be fixed on this thing or replaced. So I cocked up with one scene, showing you the bits that are broken. So I'll show you what I can. So we have here, we've got a nasty ding in the tank. We've got the air filters all bent and broken. I've already pulled off the broken headlamps. Well, the bits I've pulled off already, the headlight housing, that's all broken. The speedo backing, that's all broken. So things to be replaced. Oh, we'll get there. What else have we got? Indicator was broken. I'm going to replace the ugly indicators. Front guard's got a bit of a scar on it. That's easy enough to fix. Well, that's about it. Try a fuzzy drive. Oh, look at that. I picked the right side straight up. Yeah. It's actually a hex key, a hex setup, but that fuzzy drive seems to undo it, so that'll do. So the shed's not really 100% ready for working in, but I've got to get some done. I'm close. I'll spend a couple of hours on this. A couple of hours organising the shed. There we go, it's loose. Break it off. So that's broken. I might try, oh, there's a Spidey in there. Here, Mr. Pig, Spidey for you. Back off. Yeah, I might try and 3D print one. We'll see how we go. Either that or I'll just replace the speedo, it's a bit damaged. Just got to undo this choke cable. Get in there with this. Oops. And I just fucked it. Well, we won't get it that way. There we go. So, just pulled out the front shit. I'm going to get that choke cable off, but that can wait. I just fucked up the screw. So I might take the steering head apart, pull the whole front end off it, sandblast these parts here, get rid of all the rust, and paint them black. I think I'll do a blackout job on this. Might even black out the bars, do the whole lot. So drop us a line in the comments. Tell me what you think about blacking this thing out. It'll be a bit different. I'm thinking too that I'll black the tank. I won't go the original colours. That's a fucking horrible colour. But I might try something with some blacks. See how we go. See how we go with some interesting black colours. And you'll find out down the track what I mean by that. Alright, so I hope you're finding this stuff interesting. It's a bit of a boring one to start with. You know, nothing really happens when you first start pulling these things apart. But, you know, you got to do it. So, drop us a line in the comments. Tell me what you think. Maybe shoot some ideas over what you think might be a good way to go with this bike. If you haven't subscribed either, bang the subscribe buttons down here or down here. It's one of these somewhere along here underneath. And hit the like button. Cheers. Catch you next time. Bye.